Hi, it's David Klein-Levitt, Next Home, First Choice, Your Choice Realty. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of the buyer-broker agreement. First of all, what is a buyer-broker agreement? And why do I want it? And that's what I'm talking about. Buyer-broker agreement is essentially the buyer side of a listing agreement. It makes the buyer and the agent contractually bound to one another. But why would I want to do that? It's not traditional. You do it on the listing side, not the buying side. Give me a minute. First of all, you'll be educated on the system. Not just going to throw you in the back of my car, look at property, hope you buy it. No, we talked about in the last video the benefits of the buyer empowerment consultation. So you're going to be educated on everything. Be contractually employed, meaning you're going to get 100% attention. Not like you would before. It's not like I might get paid from you, I may not. I think I might work for you, I think I might not. Biggest thing. It takes the manipulation out. Let's say we don't have a contract. It's a property. You kind of like it, you kind of don't. I want to get paid. I don't know if you're going to go with me to the next property. I don't know who else you're working with. I'm not going to force you, manipulate you, steer you to buy that particular property. And the same thing happens down the road. Let's say something turns up on the property inspection. Same thing. If I have a contract with you, I'm not going to steer you, not going to manipulate you, not going to sell you on buying that defective property. Whoa. That makes a big deal. You're also not going to be steered, manipulated by different agents telling you different things to try to get you to work with them. You're going to get the facts, Jack or Joan. It's just the truth. It's not going to be that kind of a problem for you. You're going to hire or work with an agent based on merit and not the property or the sign that you called on. Somebody that you know, hopefully, and trust and want to work with. Not just because, well, that's the property. Those are just some of the benefits. And I just want to tell you, it's benefits both agent, honestly, and the buyer so much. And it also motivates the agent. I'll be motivated to work for you, knowing I've got this one. This is going to work, and then I want to work and get referrals later, and not be like, well, why should I bother? They're probably working with Joe or Jim or Larry or Betty anyway. No, it's the best, and in my opinion, the only way to go. So that's some of the benefits of the buyer-broker agreement. You'll learn a whole lot more at the buyer empowerment consultation that is just specifically tailored to save you money. Another video shows you all of the benefits. This is David Klein-Levitt. Next Home, First Choice, Your Choice Realty. Peace and blessings.